Alright guys, so this is the video for today. I am turning my Longqi Cambodian Straight into Longqi body wave. So I used my curling wand from Vanity Planet. I will link this in the description bar below. I have like a 70% off coupon code or 50%. Either way, it's gonna be cheap and it's good. Yeah, you guys, I haven't done a styling video in a very long time on my channel. Please do enjoy, and I'll also be answering your assumptions about me. So thanks for the support, you guys. Do not forget to subscribe, to comment. We're almost at 210,000, and on my vlog channel we're almost at 30,000. So please go ahead and subscribe as well on my vlog channel, Lyric Uncut. I'll talk to you guys for the next video. Enjoy this one. Longqi Hair. Oh my god, I almost forgot. I'm wearing my Longqi Hair Cambodian Straight 24 inches, and I'm gonna turn this into 24 inches body wave. That's what I'm gonna do. Longqi for life. Longqi for life. Longqi for life. Hey. Oh my gosh, this is what I'm talking about. Under boob sway. Y'all think I was joking. Alright, so this is my Longqi Hair, my Longqi Cambodian Straight in 24 inches. But I'm curling my hair to go to church. And I was like, you know what? I have another video I need to film for you guys. So I just decided that I'm going to curl my Longqi hair using my flat ironing brush from Vanity Planet. So I'm going to do that while doing your assumptions about me tag. Ooh, hot. Okay, so the first assumption comes from, oh, I don't have to say names. Okay, so it says you are very affectionate. I am, but I'm also, yeah, I'm affectionate, but okay, some people say vibe, right? Like they go off of vibe. I don't know if I go off of vibe, but I know I go off of, like, is that what you're putting out, you know? Like if I see a behave a particular way or whatever, then, you know, like that affection can change or whatever. But I am very affectionate. I mean, yeah, I am on a normal basis. I empathize, I'm very compassionate, but in the same breath I can just not care, and just not care, like care level at zero, like zero. So the next assumption from the same person says you don't let your son drink off of other people's kids, too much germs. You know, yeah, that's right, I don't. Only children who, like, I know their parents and who I actually like the parents, because I could know the parents but I don't like the parents, and if I don't like the parents, then I'm not going to have you drink from that person. So yeah. Thought you were cocky, but after meeting you, just real. Wow. So I want to second this assumption well, yeah, I do. It's and the height one, I get a lot of assumption, a lot, that people think that I am cocky. Like you said, the me who you see on here, I'm even rawer in person. Like I am. That you went to a co-ed high school. Yeah, I did go to co-ed high school. I went to one of the best schools in Portmore, St. Catherine. I went to Bridgeport High School. Oh, my alma mater. Oh, my alma mater. You are very confident and bold. Thank you. I try to be. I mean, confidence and being bold is relative, I believe. It's just that if you feel like you can do it, you're like, oh my gosh, the person is so confident. You know, so it just depends on you. Like, if you think you can do it, then you label that, whoever did it, as bold and confident. But not always. I mean, I am constantly sharing my insecurities on here to the point where people are like, oh my god, Lyric, stop beating up yourself. You're so hard on yourself. Be positive, be this, be that. So, I mean, not really. I assume you were tall, but I guess not. Oh, boy. This is Jen Dwyer, Jukal. You guys don't know him, but Jukal, one of my friends. Yeah, I'm very much not tall. So somebody says that you're real. True. Sometimes too real. I'm too real to the point where what other people consider their reality, I tend to shift that around. You know what I mean? Like being a Christian, piercings, my husband has tattoos and all that stuff. People would say I'm too real or I'm living my truth. And other people are like, she's just putting on, she's not a Christian. So, yes. That it once was your dream to be an actress. I must have said that somewhere. There's no way you could have guessed that, because that was my dream once. Not once, still is. I'd love to be an actress, an actress, you know, like on television and stuff. But it's not something that I am actively going after, which is why it has not happened. Because once I actively go after something, best and believe, honey, it's gonna happen. So, fake and only act nice for YouTube. Oh no, honey. You mean I dial it down for YouTube? If you follow my vlog, you'll hear how I naturally speak, because I try my best not to edit that out. And you'll hear how I think. Like, I have a very naughty mind, and in my vlog, I hope I don't edit it out, but in my vlog, you can see that. Yep, you can see that, you can hear it. If I had smell-o-vision, you could smell it. You seem like one of those persons that can be sweet but rude when tested, girl. It even would have. Like, people feel like said because you're on YouTube, you can't clap back. And even worse, if you're on YouTube and a Christian, you're not supposed to clap back. I don't know if that's the case where you're from, like your country, Germany, Canada, the US. But in Jamaica, like, they feel like Christians should be seen and not heard. Girl, have you seen me? You gonna hear me. Like, open up, put up with foolishness, my love. Like, if you have tried foolishness, I'm gonna but yeah, it should be seen and not heard, honey. That's just the mentality here in Jamaica for Christians, you know. And because our nation is more of like a traditional Christian nation, like, if you're wearing pants, the automatic assumption that you're not a Christian. But most importantly, if you look like me, nails, wig, piercings, then I am definitely not a Christian. So I can, girl, test me and I will pass. Flying colors, 100%, gold star, honor roll, mid-dat. I think you put yourself down too much. You're okay, oh, beautiful, and you look just the way you. Oh my God, that's true. That's true. I really do. And I don't. Okay, so I wouldn't say I put myself down too much. I just have a high standard of me. You know what I mean? And the things that I go after, and the things I want to achieve, and how I want to look. I have a high standard, and I'd rather have a high standard and be like, oh, I need to get there, Then I have like a mediocre standard and be like, yeah, I can do that. No, I love challenging myself. When I push this baby through my vagina, oh, that comeback is gonna be real, honey. But I'm nervous because I keep on talking about this comeback. Because when I was pregnant with Jonathan, right? Like, none of this was in my head. Like, girl, you gotta come back. Like, oh, girl, your body, I gotta bounce back. Like, that was never the thought behind it. Now I'm stressed out. You know, like, oh my goodness. And it's just, I need to insight. I don't feel like. Alright, thanks for mom. For this pregnancy, I am, if you follow my vlog, you'll know I'm 202 pounds when I went to my last checkup, and I'm due between the 30th of June and the 11th of July, and I am that big. And when the nurse told me the number, I was like, no way. I was smiling in the vlog because it's a vlog clip, but I was mortified, and I was just like, why am I this big? Oh gosh, I would have started crying. But I just, So no, and that's why I think that's why I'm vlogging more. Because for my vlogs, I'm making the conscious effort to get dressed before I vlog, you know, makeup on, everything. And I know it's superficial to some of you or to, but I feel like if somebody's doing something that makes them happy and it's not illegal, they're not causing bodily harm, you know, all those things are in check, they're literally just doing it for themselves, then just let them be. All I want to do is just feel pretty, and Jermaine just love me anyway I come. It's so annoying. It's so annoying. It's so annoying. It's so annoying. Like, Jermaine does not care at all, because he knows. Well, I'm glad he does. He genuinely doesn't care. Like, he genuinely give a shit. Genuinely. And I feel like if he did, it would only be worse for me. You know what I mean? Like, oh my gosh, I'm so fat. Oh, and my husband thinks I'm fat. It would just put too much pressure on me. Oh gosh, that question took me down a dark road. I'm done answer that. Also, you are one of the reasons I love makeup. Oh, thank you. No assumptions from me. I've been following you. I've been following for a long time. I love your channel. Thank you. You're awesome. Wow. Hey, good. Bless myself. Excuse me. I think you're bullying the bedroom. La la la. Bedroom. Believe me, bedroom. Not a little cleanse. You're wrong, Goody. You're wrong. See, people like me. I'm telling them. Oh. I hope that was a term everybody understood. Bedroom bully. You understand that, right? American people, Canadian people, Germanians, Germany people. Yes, you understood that bedroom bully. You know, like aggressive in the bedroom. Okay, I wouldn't say I'm aggressive in the bedroom. You know what I mean? Because Jermaine is way more experienced than I am. Okay, like my husband took my virginity. He's way more experienced than I am. So, I mean, I like aggression. But me and I said, because if me say, Jermaine, me and a bedroom bulldog, he'll be like, no. I'll be like, you're right. You're right. I'm not. I'm a pacifist. But no. But I love the aggression. Whatever. Ooh, y'all, this done turned into lyric after dark. What is going on? Okay. Well, my mother's assumption is because you have piercings that you're not a Christian. And 1, 2. Okay, 2 more, good. And we already covered this. And it's, she said, well, my mother, you know, and I get that. I actually get that a lot, that I'm not a Christian because of my piercings. Whatever. Can I please everybody? You're a mad people person, so I feel like I'd get the same upbeat, crazy vibe in person. That's so true. I really am. Like, I went to Starbucks the other day in Jamaica, in New Kingston, for the very, very first time. I know. What have I been doing with my life? So, I went there, and I know nothing about Starbucks. I don't know what it's called. I'm going to say, can I get a sandwich? It can warm up. I was talking to them as if I knew nothing. I'm not going to go in and be like, bitch, this is Starbucks. Step up your coochie. Step it up, honey. No, man, I know nothing. You want the sandwich then? Much is me rotted. $900 for a sandwich? I'm going to swallow and then do it out. Oh yeah, give me one of that. Alright then. What the cheapest you have? That's how I went in there, because I was not about to. And then when I told my mentor, Godmother Paula, that's Jonathan's godmother, and I said, Auntie Paula, you know, say $2 grand me spend and I'm hungry by 3 things. Someone, when I would just buy 1 tea. I said, Auntie, I'm hungry. I was at company office of Jamaica. Oh my God, I was there for like 3.5 hours long. They eat early in the morning, and I got so hungry. I felt like something was coming up my belly, like me want to vomit, and I had to eat something. So now me I eat that now. New Kingston, I know. And so I them can buy some my island grill. Become warm my island grill. What do you mean name again? With the vegetable and so me say want go light serving a right plant. I want a large lemonade. Island grill long line till it curve and then the door. I say no Satan. Victory is not yours today. And my feet were already hurting, my belly button was hurting me because by CRJ have like these stairs. Oh my gosh, and I broke down in the stairwell, you guys. I almost started crying, like tears were welling up in my eyes because it was just so hard for me to go around that day, and I was just really stressed out that day. Anyway, point is, I'm gonna Starbucks and just act like my normal self. You always try to give of your best, but said it's generally unappreciated. That's true. That's true. That's true. And I think it has made me who I am today. By the way, I have a story time for you guys, but it's not for now. I'm gonna wait till I get some bomb ass here, because this story time is dark. Let me just give you a hint. Somebody stole $70,000 from me through my new business, my wig line, wig making thing. So somebody stole $70,000 from me, but that's a story time. That's a story time. But yeah, it's unappreciated, and I feel like when things happen like that in my head, it's telling me like just stop caring, or you can care but not too much. And I don't want, because of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, how many other persons there are, I don't want them to dictate how I treat the mass. But it's difficult when you know who you've been. You guys, I've been friends with people that I've introduced here on my channel that you will never see again. I've done collabs with people here on my channel who only used me for views. I didn't know of it at the time because I was like, oh my god, of course I'd love to work with you. And that person had like 10,000, I probably had 50,000. I thought nothing of it. You know, like they're not going to support you, and it's just sad. They're not going to give you the kindness that you deserve, and it's just sad. But as I'm talking to you, I'm being reminded that we shouldn't look from them, because you know, like when I sow a seed, it can look when the tree bear, or it depends on what you sow, it can look fit to bear in one spot, and like one more seed will come up. A lot will come up, like as in, so the tree will grow up from being the seed. The seed turn out one big little tree now, nice and clean and big things, and then it has other fruits that have multiple seeds. So don't look from your reciprocation from those specific set of people. If they're treating you like bullcrap, move the hell on. You see, I'm a fan of moving on, which is why people say like I don't keep friends long. It's true, and I'm afraid to let people in my circle, and it's true. I don't like WhatsApp. I don't like phone calls. I really don't. I don't call I have my best friend Keisha and Melissa. I have a couple of them. Cara, I consider my best friend. Chantel from Canada, who I met here on YouTube. Went back then when YouTube actually allowed you to send messages. I met her here on YouTube, and I don't talk to her every day, but once Chantel is here in Jamaica, me and her are gonna link up, you know what I mean? But anyway, yes, all those people are best friends I've known for years. And I've gone a month, weeks without talking to them. And the minute we talk, it is like nothing happened. Absolutely nothing. There's no disconnect. And that's just how I am. But some people think that if I don't talk to them, like every day, once a week, that I don't care. It's not true. I just don't like to talk. My husband sent me a WhatsApp message and called me and asked if he can get the WhatsApp message. That's how bad it is. It's not that deep. It's just, I don't know, but people get sensitive, so I'm afraid to introduce people into my circle, into my life. I really am. Anyway, gosh, this video is so long. I hope you guys don't mind. Anyway, so it says you're a very picky eater, you are very territorial with your husband, you love support. Okay, no, I'm not a picky eater. I'm more picky about my appearance than I am about my food. Like, I will try any food once. That's who I am. Everything else is on the ball. I'm very territorial with my husband, and I love to support, and I love getting support because everybody loves support. But I'm very territorial with Jermaine. Like, I've had to approach females and be like, oh no, oh no, you must be crazy. Because my husband is like, most of you men out there, and most of the women have man, him nice. And one catty just one know say, him nice, and if you're gonna reach out to him, I'm gonna help you. And it's annoying me. But I said, Jermaine, come here. Jermaine, don't talk back to the girl there. Simone, you cannot do that. Because I don't know if I tell you guys, I'm quick to like cut people off. I'm not bragging. I'm just saying, if you violate me, my friends, I'm done. I'm not going to talk to you. I'm snapping you off. You snapped. You are snapped. So it was small, and German is not like that. Oh my God, German will forgive. German will give people the benefit of the doubt. German will do all that crap. Me, make you do it to me one time. I'm gonna say German to baby Canada, fine. And next try at me again. That's it. I tried, and I know it's wrong from a Christian's perspective, cause in my devotional what day, I don't remember who asked, but them say, but suppose your brother them say, not forgive 7 times 7 like in one day for the one thing, and if they keep on coming back to you, you must forgive them. I'm like, Jesus. I mean, am I gonna make it into heaven? Is there room for me? You know? Oh gosh, I'm sweating. Can you guys see the sweat on my face? Look at the sweat on my face. Look at the sweat on my face. Oh God, oh God. Okay, I don't want this to be a part 2, so I'm gonna power through and plug with this guy. Now go to the place. Okay. Fave restaurant in JA. The one by, okay, so I love TGIF, I love Island Grill, and there's a Chinese restaurant at Marketplace where Usain Bolt place there. I don't remember where that is. I've never been to Gotcha's. I'd really love to go to. No, I've been to Gotcha's. Sorry, not Gotcha's. The other place at the same place that have some pineapple something. So I'm just fingering my hair, and this side is tighter because I just finished. Oh, I know what I should have done. I should have sprayed this and said this, don't it? Alright. I should have done this right as like my done the thing, and then they would have been more, you know, curly, right? Right? But yeah, so that's my favorite Chinese restaurant. I went there once, and the food was just so amazing. I was shocked. I was like, I've never had Chinese food like this before. Ooh, turning my straight hair into a body wave. Done. Use a good body woman, good body wife, good body mama, good body a lot of God. You're good in my good, my goodness. The good iris. Oh my God. You and your husband barely fat. You and your husband barely fight. Girl, bad. You don't use setting spray for makeup or makeup mist. That was true, but I recently started doing that. So yeah. Lyric, you're a phenomenal woman, very confident and honest. Oh, dear, thanks, mama. One more thing, let's. No need to assume you are sweet and genuine. Aww. I know you don't part, but I think if I think if you do, it'd be a great dancer. Yeah, girl, I wire waist them call me not go there. Well, I drew them not call me that, but I agree. You're taller than you actually are. No, I'm shorter than you think. I am 5'1". I'm a short girl. I assume that you went to college. No, honey, you're adorable. I did not go to college. I left straight from high school. Went to like a secondary school. It was called Youth. It is called Youth Reaching Youth. Still up and running to this day. And that's what I did. I did not go to college. I don't know. You seem like a pretty cool person. I wish I could meet you in person. You're a real one. Kimberly, bye-bye. It's actually my friend, Kimberly. You're a down-to-earth person. True. You're having a baby girl. I ain't gonna say nothing. Yeah, oh no. When I was scammer. Oh no, have some scammers. We're done. This video is like 20 minutes. I don't think I'll be editing anything out. I'm just gonna piece everything together and upload it for you guys because that's what I do. I want to take this time to thank everybody who has subscribed to my channel. We're almost at 210,000 and I completely appreciate it. I appreciate you. My channel has recently started growing in terms of subscribership, so it would mean a lot to me if you guys share my videos. Just get the word out there about me and my channel. That would be cool. I have a vision board video that I'm going to be sharing on my vlog channel, so when that does happen, I'll link it. I'll just constantly link it in my videos because I want to share that vision board with you. Or you know what, just follow me in my vlog channel. We're almost at 30,000 subscribers over there, and it has been a dream of mine from last year to hit 30,000. So I'd love to hit 30,000 this year on my vlog channel, and then by the end of the year 50,000, then by the end of the year on this video, this channel, 500,000, and both of them are on my vision board. So yeah, I will talk to you guys in the next video. Bye guys. Longqi, we did it. We made it through. We made it through.